So I'm going to switch over to the BIDU chart right here. And what we're looking at is our cycle analysis. I'll just blow this out a little bit right over here, and we're looking at the side-by-side. Okay, so this is BIDU on the left, and you can see it was up here at 354 back a couple of years ago, and then broke all the way down here to $73. Now, look at the cyclical rhythms in here. As you see, the cycle brackets are on the bottom, and you can see this low lining up right here and here and here and here. Those are all important low areas. And now we're in this area where it's coming up. Now, I want you to note right in here, that is our reversal scout. I'll blow this up for you right now for you to see. And what we're getting at right over here, when I point to this being bullish, is that there is a cycle that's bottoming right in here. So you can see the rhythms in here as you get into the second half of each cycle and money moves out. This is money flows, essentially. Money moving in, money moving out, money moving in and out. So BIDU here is looking like it has made its bottom. And money moving in again. These two lines show you the really plus or minus 3 weeks from the ideal trough that we're looking for. And here's where the reversal scout points to the upside. Notice right over here where it turned down and it sent you into this decline. And here it's up. Now, you had a rally, hit the resistance, pull back. The probabilities of the third week being the high are extremely low. The probabilities of getting up here to about 129, 130, maybe this is about 136, are extremely high sometime over these next several weeks in BIDU. I just want to look here at the daily, and you could see beautiful basing pattern that's going on in here. Now, what is a basing pattern? That is when you have a higher bottom likely to form after have been in a decline. You can see lower bottom right here, lower peak, lower bottom in those cycles. And now you have this base forming as it comes down into support and getting ready to move up. That points up into this area right over here, which are the fib extensions that we're looking at here. That's about 127 to 132. So right now we are in what I consider to be a buy zone and buy timing. So you can see as that looks pretty powerful right there. Now, I want to be sure that you understand that we're under a condition here where the market's been weak. And the momentum in here is just starting to improve. So you might start out with a smaller position. I want to look at FXI and see how this aligns with this, because FXI is the Chinese market and BIDU is a Chinese stock. So when I open this up right over here, you can see that what we're looking at is a bottoming going on, or bottom due, with no sign of it starting yet in FXI, in the Chinese market, and the momentum still coming down. So you have to look at that with just a little bit of caution when you're thinking about trading this on the long side or BIDU. When I look here at the daily chart, you can see in here those cycle rhythms, beautiful, but while BIDU has a base forming, this does not. The momentum's still negative. The slim ribbon PO still negative. Negative signals coming on in here. And we have a note here. All momentum is negative, and anticipating troughs means the smallest size trades. That's important here when you do this kind of analysis. So we're looking at an intermediate analysis that suggests that FXI should bottom, but it's still negative momentum and no proven bottom yet, which says keep your size small, even though BIDU has got all signs that it is ready to move to the upside. I tell you, when I look at this, it's so important to do the sum of the evidence analysis that says to you also about position sizing. And this one says to me, stay small. It looks like a long side trade in BIDU.